Do you want text or write-ups to sit behind you in videos just like this one you're seeing here? It is very simple. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve effects like this in CapCut. So without wasting much of the time, let's get the tutorial started. So open your CapCut and start a new project, and then select the clip which you want to use and add it. Then click on text to write whatever you want to have in your background. So add text. So for me, I'll just go ahead and type the text I want to have in my background. For you, it may be something else, so just go ahead and modify the text the way you want to have it appear at the back of yourself. So after that, after typing, go to the font section and select any font you like, and then go ahead and scale the text the way you want it. So mine, I want it to look bold. So after that, you can duplicate, just duplicate, apply all the effect you want on a particular text, then duplicate it so that you can write other words. Okay, so when you do that, duplicate it again until you have all the text you want to have in your background. You can go ahead and do all adjustments the way you want it. For me, I just want to have these few texts in my background. Okay, after typing them, you can scale them, you can make some bigger, some smaller, position them in areas you want them to be. And you can also style the text by giving them colors, any color of your choice. So just come down to style. So you can just pick any color you want, style them differently so that when they come out, they are going to come out with different colors looking beautiful. So I'll just go ahead and give them the colors I want. Let me leave others white while I give CapCut blue. So just go ahead and position them in a way that when it goes to the background, at least you still see part of the text. So another thing I want to achieve is I don't want all the text to appear at once, so I'll shift some backwards so that it will appear one after the other and makes it look beautiful. You can see, so I'll drag this one too, just like that. So they will appear one after the other, just like this. You can see. So that's for the first part. So towards the end, I also want to do something similar. So I'll also follow the same process. I'll arrange the text and also style them. So once I'm done doing that, the next thing I will do is to take all the text to the background. And to do that, I'm going to duplicate this clip. So once you duplicate it, I'm going to remove the background of the duplicate. Okay. So come down, look for remove BG and auto remover. So we are removing the duplicate of our clip. We are removing the background of the duplicate of our clip. Once we remove it, we are going to come to overlay, make it an overlay, okay, so that it will be on top. So once we make the duplicate, which we have removed the background and overlay, drag it to the beginning of the clip. Yeah, bring it like this. Okay, so once you make it overlay and you bring it to the beginning, the next thing we want to do is we want to bring it up. That one without background, we want to bring it up. So look for layers. So look for layers. Let me scroll down and look for layers. Okay, you can see layer. Tap on it and then look for that one which you've removed the background. This is it. So drag it, click and hold, then drag it to the left until you have it on top like this. So it's as simple as that. So you can see, let me allow it to do. Okay, you can see everything is in the background, even this second one. So let me play the results. Do you want text or write-ups to sit behind you in videos just like this one you're seeing here? It is very simple. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve effects like this in CapCut. So without wasting much of the time, let's get the tutorial started. Thank you for watching this tutorial, guys. I'm going to be uploading more tutorials on CapCut like this, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that whenever I bring more tutorials like this, you'll be the first to get them. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.